Hi, I'm Trevor, the brand developer for Keylite roof windows in the south. So just a little about us. Keylite is a multi-award winning manufacturer. We've been making quality roof windows for nearly 20 years. What makes Keylite different is the innovation that's cleverly engineered into all of our roof windows, making them faster and easier to install, warmer with assured thermal performances, and lower with a streamlined fit. All is standard and at no extra cost. Keylite's ethos is all about smart solutions to enhance the product performance, but also how our customers experience our product. In this demonstration, I'll tell you about some of the unique patented features designed with installers in mind to make life easier, but to also ensure excellent product performance. The first thing you'll notice with the Keylite on opening the box is our pre-installed flick fit brackets. These come as standard on every roof window, making the fitting of the roof window much quicker and easier. No more rooting around for separate brackets which you then have to screw into place. With the Keylite, the window brackets simply flick into position. The bracket instruction guide is conveniently placed on the top of the window for handy reference. For ease, there are two bracket heights preset, blue for tile profiles up to 90mm and red for slate profiles up to 6mm. With Keylite, removing and reinserting the sash has never been easier. Unlike other brands, Keylite sash hinge fingers are spring-loaded. This lets the installer relocate the sash quickly and safely, and saving time, especially with larger window units and in challenging roof locations. A Keylite roof window sits up to 50% lower on a tiled roof. Therefore, Keylite windows are more streamlined and less obtrusive than other roof windows. This improves the curb appeal, but also improves the thermal performance and influences the home buyer's decision. This superior aesthetic finish in the roof is a real advantage on projects such as conservation. Leaving the best to last, perhaps Keylite's smartest innovation is its patented integrated expanding thermal collar that fills the gap on every roof window installation. Research has shown that 97% of roof windows are installed without a thermal collar. So Keylite has taken ownership of this issue through its extensive research and development. Keylite has eliminated the installation weakness and filled the gap with our patented expanding thermal collar. Supplied on every roof we manufacture, this dense foam insulates the gap around the window between the frame and the roof to combat thermal bridging and protect against condensation and mould. This foam expands up to 40mm and is activated by pulling 4 of the red tabs located in each corner. This solution is mess-free and reduces the potential of customer legacy issues and saves on any additional costs for insulation material. We have many more unique features and benefits to make the product easier to use, to reduce the maintenance and enhance performance. As well as an extensive range of products, finishes and glazing options, I'd like to tell you more about what we can offer. Please let me know if there's anything specific you'd like to know about, or if you'd like to book one of our Toolbox talks. Thanks for your time.